How to crochet for beginners. Crocheting is a fun and creative craft that you can learn as a beginner. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started with crocheting. 1. Gather the necessary supplies. Crochet hooks. Start with a medium-sized hook, such as a 5.5mm, USI 9, or 6.0mm, USJ 10. Yarn. Choose a smooth and medium weight yarn in a color of your choice. Avoid very thin or very thick yarn for beginners. Scissors. Yarn needle. 2. Learn the basic stitches. Slip knot. Make a loop with the yarn and pull the end through to create a slip knot on your hook. Chain stitch. CH. Wrap the yarn over the hook from back to front, then pull it through the slip knot. Repeat this process to create a chain of desired length. Single crochet. SC. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over, and pull the yarn through the chain. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on the hook. Double crochet. DC. Yarn over, insert the hook into the desired stitch, yarn over, pull the yarn through the stitch. Yarn over again, pull through the first 2 loops on the hook, and yarn over once more, pulling through the last 2 loops. 3. Practice the basic stitches. Start by practicing the chain stitch until you feel comfortable with it. Then move on to the single crochet and double crochet stitches. Practice creating rows of stitches by chaining a certain number of stitches and then working back along the chain. 4. Learn to read crochet patterns. Crochet patterns use abbreviations to indicate different stitches. Familiarize yourself with common abbreviations like CH, chain, SC, single crochet, DC, double crochet, and so on. You can find online resources and tutorials that explain crochet abbreviations. 5. Start with simple projects. Once you're comfortable with the basic stitches, you can start working on simple projects like dishcloths, scarves, or coasters. Look for beginner-friendly patterns online or in crochet books. 6. Practice and explore. Crocheting is a skill that improves with practice. Work on various projects to hone your skills and experiment with different stitches and techniques. Join crochet communities, forums, or local groups to learn from experienced crocheters and seek inspiration. Remember, patience and practice are key when learning to crochet. Take your time, enjoy the process, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. With practice, you'll become more confident and skilled in this wonderful craft. Happy crocheting!